Hello guys and gals, welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the Google Pixel 2. If you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the Google Pixel 2, go ahead and check out that playlist in the description below. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your ringtone on the Google Pixel 2. So just to start off with, what you're going to want to do is slide down just to get to your settings. So this is the way I go into them. Slide down. There's a little settings button right over there. So go ahead and select that. Once you have it selected, you will see your settings now have popped up. Once you are in settings, scroll down till you see this sound option right there. Once you are in the sound option, there is a phone ringtone tab there. So let's go ahead and select that. As you guys can see, the only thing that comes up here are possible ringtone options. So by default, that's what it is. If you want to just look through some of these and pick something that you like, just find something that's catchy, something that you like. Once you have it set, all you have to do at this point is just hit save, and then your phone ringtone has been updated, and now it's set to the lollipop option. So now when you get a call and your phone volume is set up, it will be ringing. So just the way that I go between vibration mode and the ring mode. So your device has to be turned on. There has to be a little bit of light on. So if you're on a lock screen, home screen, whatever, click one of the buttons to get some light on, and then volume up and down button. So the volume down, press and hold. It'll get you to the ring option if you just press the volume down button, and that'll get you back down to vibrate. So that is how you change your ringtone on the Google Pixel 2. Once again, if you guys found this video helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any other comments, questions, or concerns, go ahead and drop those in the comment section below. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.